spinning's been a lot of fun. I love challenges. I've been involved in challenges over the years, whether it's unicycling or juggling juggling over hurdles. I used to hold the Guinness record for juggling over hurdles. So now that's why I'm really interested in top spinning right now and long top spinning endurance records. I enjoy a challenge, and it keeps me moving, and I'm 57, and it's a fun time to, it's something I can do with my body still at this time. So here's a couple things that I do while I'm trying to keep the top going. I can go between my legs. This is called regenerating. I'm actually revving it up. I can lay it on its side. Crossed armed. So these are just a couple of things I work on while I'm just part of the challenge. So as you can see, there's a whole lot of different things you can do at the top, and it's a lot of fun. I've really enjoyed the challenge.